Well, the winner is, it's a phenomenon, Mrs. Brown's Boys, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. We weren't expecting this, believe it or not. It's first of all, congratulations to the other three nominees. Maybe next year. Thank you very much for this. If anything, I'm an example that if you throw enough shit at the wall, some of it sticks. The lesson is that you've got to keep throwing it. I want to thank RTE for supporting us. They pushed us over the line. BBC, we're delighted to go with it, but it was RT's involvement, along with our own production company, Buck Picks, that pushed over the line. So I want to thank RTE. I can't believe this, I really can't. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Eddie, Doyle, Bill, our own producer, Martin Delaney, and Steve McCrum, who's the producer from BBC, who single-handedly conned them into putting it onto BBC One. I don't know how he did. I want to thank my own family, most of them who are in the show. Well, if you can't rear them, you have to pay them. Danny, Fiona, I'm immensely proud of you, and I always have been, long before this. Eric at home, I'm proud of you, Amanda, and Marty, and my mother, wherever you are. Thank you for this, man. That's nearly it. My wife, Jennifer, who has been with me all the way and always has supported me. And as the song says, I am all I am because she loves me. Thank you.